Looks like we got a special delivery in.
Sure, we know what it is.
It's about time. We've been waiting for a little minute.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh, don't tell me. 8th gen.
8th and 9th gen.
Nice.
First part of it. Wow, this thing came out great.
Now these are the diff mounts?
Yeah, the diff mount.
So what color options are going to be available for these?
This is it right here.
That's going to be it?
Black Anodize.
I like that.
Black Anodize and all that. So, heads up down. Heads up down. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. So
Work of art.
Slowly but surely, everything's getting ready now. Pre-order is available for these?
we're gonna
pretty soon.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're hopefully within maybe a few days. So we're gonna try to get everything ready, and we're gonna see what everything else is getting ready. So we got all this plus those. So the pre-order is just basically the back end of the car. The whole on the 8th and 9th gen is everything back here. So basically the diff mount, the things to mount up the diff, and also the spindle. This is actually not the spindle for the 8th and 9th gen. I'm just showing an example with what it consists of. So basically the spindle itself is actually like an OEM replacement of the 8th and 9th gen with our hubs on it, of course. So but this is actually the kit here that it's going to consist of. It's a pretty much bolt-on kit. The only thing that you have to do is you have to weld this bar right here across it for the diff. This actually goes on top of the diff like so, right here. So this is the only thing that you got to weld on here, and then that part into the chassis. Okay, so that's it for that. Diff mount, you could use a wagon diff or a CRV element diff. And of course the drive shaft, we make drive shaft, or you could use the CRV or an element, actually a CRV, because an element, the thing with the element here, this part here is actually a little bit longer on the element. So the hubs that we use is actually based off the CRV. So, but we also offer that too if you don't want to, look for a diff and all that with the axles. So yeah, this is pretty much the kit here that we're going to be offering. So right now we got pretty much the diff mount and all that ready to go, but we're waiting on the spindles to get in. As soon as a spindle gets in, we can start packaging everything out. So now that doesn't include anything in the front end. I know there has to be some work done to the front. Either you could do it yourself, or you could wait until we figure out how we're gonna make a new subframe for it, or you could go and notch a subframe and then bring it down a little bit. So, but as of right now, it's just everything in the back for you to go all the way back.
So basically this is what you're going to be able to get for your 8th or 9th gen rear diff mount kit. Now, as Son said, these components are mainly for the rear of the vehicle. You still need all of your front components to complete your full kit. But as far as the pre-order goes, this is what you will be looking at. If other components are needed, we do offer differentials as well as axles and drive shafts in stock. So feel free to check out the website at s1built.com.